Hello, good evening, students. Today is transcription number back of 249 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. The corporation will consist of 80 members, and these 80 will elect 6 aldermen. The 80 members will be elected by all adult residents of the area comprising the corporation. The electoral roll, which had been framed or which may hereafter be framed for elections to the Lok Sabha, will also serve as the roll for election to the corporation. So, it will be broad based on the suffrage of the entire adult population of Delhi. Besides, as I just said, it will also have the opportunity of electing 6 aldermen so that those who do not want to stand for election or who, because of their experience of public life, of their reputation, public spirit, and the like, are considered to be particularly desirable for the efficient discharge of the duties by the corporation, will thus be elected by the corporation itself. This is not now embodied in the Corporation Bill, but I propose to move an amendment to that effect in the Select Committee. I have just said that this corporation will also discharge all the duties relating to electricity, water supply, transport, sewage, drainage, etc. Even in the Bombay Corporation, the generation of electricity does not come within the purview of the corporation. Although our own bill is modelled on the pattern of the Bombay Corporation, we have tried to liberalize it in certain respects. The corporation will have a mayor, and we provide that under the rules, if it is so decided, the mayor may be given housing and transport facilities too. The members too may, if such rules are framed and approved by the House, be allowed to draw some allowance for attending the meetings. As our public life is growing richer and all classes, howsoever poor, are coming forward to serve the community with devotion, it becomes necessary to make some provision of this type so that no one may be deterred because of his poverty and lack of resources from placing his talents and experience at the disposal of the community. So, we have made that provision too. I understand that in Bombay also there is some such move for making provision for the members of the corporation. The corporation will, besides the mayor, have a deputy mayor and a general manager for transport, drainage, and sewage and water supply. Besides these, many other functionaries will have to be appointed. The bill provides that all persons drawing a salary of rupees 350 or more will be appointed in consultation with the Public Service Commission so that the controversies that are sometimes noticed in local bodies over appointments will be avoided.